Sydney Kingsford ground, Cafe 138, ready to taxi to runway 34 left. Cafe 138, taxi to runway 34 left, contact tower when ready. Taxi to runway 34 left, Cafe 138. Cafe 138, request permission to cross runway 7. Cafe 138, cross runway 7. Crossing runway 7, Cafe 138. Attention all aircraft, ATIS information Bravo is now current. Sydney Kingsford ground, Jetstar 505, ready to taxi to runway 34 left with information Delta. Attention all aircraft, ATIS information Echo is now current. Sydney Kingsford ground, SAM 5955, ready for pushback, requesting runway 16 right. Jetstar 505, taxi to runway 34 left, hold short of 16 right 34 left. SAM 5955, pushback approved, expect runway 34 left. Pushback approved, SAM 5955. Sydney Kingsford ground, Jetstar 505, ready to taxi to runway 34 left with information Echo. Sydney Kingsford ground, New Zealand 104, ready for pushback with information Echo. New Zealand 104, hold position.
Sydney Kingsford ground, Qantas 737 heavy, ready for pushback.
Holding position, New Zealand 104. Holding position, Jetstar 505. Qantas 737 heavy, hold position. Attention all aircraft, runway changes in progress.
Holding position, Qantas 737 heavy.
Sydney Kingsford ground, United 863 Mike Heavy, request taxi to Bay 51 at the International Terminal. United 863 Mike Heavy, taxi to International Terminal Bay 51 via Golf, Yankee. Taxiing to International Terminal Bay 51 via Golf, Yankee, United 863 Mike Heavy. Sydney Kingsford ground, SAM 5955, ready to taxi to runway 16 right.
Sydney Kingsford ground, Qantas 737 heavy, ready for pushback.
SAM 5955. Qantas 737 heavy, pushback approved, expect runway 16 right. Taxi to runway 16 right.
Pushback approved, Qantas 737 heavy.
Pushback approved, New Zealand 104. Sydney Kingsford ground, New Zealand 104, ready to taxi to runway 16 right with information echo. New Zealand 104, taxi to runway 16 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 16 right, New Zealand 104. Sydney Kingsford ground, Speedbird 52 Charlie, ready for pushback with information Foxtrot. Speedbird 52 Charlie, pushback approved, expect runway 16 right. Pushback approved, Speedbird 52 Charlie.
Sydney Kingsford ground, Qantas 737 Heavy, ready to taxi.
Qantas 737 Heavy, taxi to runway 16 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxi to runway 16 right, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Sydney Kingsford ground, Speedbird 52 Charlie, ready to taxi with information Foxtrot. Speedbird 52 Charlie, taxi to runway 16 right, contact tower when ready. Taxi to runway 16 right, Speedbird 52 Charlie. Sydney Kingsford ground, Qantas 1557, ready for pushback with information Foxtrot, requesting runway 16 right. Sydney Kingsford ground, FedEx 6013, ready for pushback with information Foxtrot, requesting runway 16 right. Sydney Kingsford ground, New Zealand 2012 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Foxtrot. Qantas 1557, pushback approved, expect runway 16 right. New Zealand 2012 Heavy, pushback approved, expect runway 16 right. Pushback approved, Qantas 1557. FedEx 6013, hold position. Sydney Kingsford ground, Qantas, holding position, FedEx 6013. Pushback approved, New Zealand 2012 Heavy. Jetstar 204, exit runway when able and contact ground, please expedite. Wilco, Jetstar 204.
Sydney Kingsford Tower, Qantas 737 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 16 right, departing.
Qantas 737 Heavy, line up and wait runway 16 right.
Line up and wait runway 16 right, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 16 right, New Zealand 104. Sydney Kingsford Tower, Speedbird 52 Charlie, ready for departure at runway 16 right, departing east. New Zealand 104, contact Sydney departure on 118.4. Speedbird 52 Charlie, hold short of runway 16 right. Contacting Sydney departure on 118.4, New Zealand 104. Holding short runway 16 right, Speedbird 52 Charlie. Tahiti Airlines 101 Tango November Heavy, exit runway when able, contact ground on the taxiway. Wilco, Tahiti Airlines 101 Tango November Heavy. Qantas 737 Heavy, line 250 at 4, runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 16 right, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Speedbird 52 Charlie, line up and wait runway 16 right. Line up and wait runway 16 right, Speedbird 52 Charlie. Qantas 737 Heavy, contact Sydney departure on 118.4. Speedbird 5.
Contacting Sydney departure on 118.4, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Sydney Kingsford Tower, Qantas 1557, ready for departure at runway 16 right, departing east. Sydney Kingsford Tower, New Zealand 101 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 16 right with information echo. Qantas 1557, line up and wait runway 16 right. Sydney Kingsford Tower, Korean Air 701, ready for departure at runway 16 right.
Sydney departure, Qantas 737 Heavy, with you at 3,900.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 16 right, New Zealand 101 Heavy. New Zealand 101 Heavy, maintain slowest practical speed. Maintain slowest practical speed, New Zealand 101 Heavy. Qantas 1557, line 310 at 8, runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 16 right, Qantas 1557. Speedbird 52 Charlie, contact Sydney departure on 118.4. Contacting Sydney departure on 11.4, Speedbird 52 Charlie. New Zealand 101 Heavy, design final runway 16 right, full stop. Uniform Alpha Heavy, turn left heading 250. Oscar Kilo Hotel Oscar Papa Echo, turn left heading 290. Turn left heading 290, Oscar Kilo Hotel Oscar Papa Echo. Turn left heading 250, New Zealand 337 Uniform Alpha Heavy. China Eastern 779, expect vector for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Roger, China Eastern 779. Korean Air 411 Heavy, expect vector for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. China Eastern 779, turn left heading 090, maintain 9000. Victor Hotel Sierra Alpha Bravo, turn right heading 070, descend and maintain 7000. Turn left heading 360, descend and maintain 9000, Mike Bravo Alpha Lima Delta. Oscar Oscar Golf Oscar Sierra, turn right heading 310, descend and maintain 7000. Turn right heading 310, descend and maintain 7000, Oscar Oscar Golf Oscar Sierra. Contacting Auckland Tower on 120.905, Auckland approach. Auckland approach, contact Auckland Tower on 120.905. Contacting Auckland Tower on 120.905, Auckland approach. Turn right heading 280, descend and maintain 4000, India Bravo Echo November Zulu. Qatari 12 Victor Alpha Heavy, turn left heading 230. Qantas 737 Heavy, turn left heading 260.
Turn left heading 260, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 4000, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, Tango India Echo Charlie Golf. Turn left heading 310, Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango. Executing this approach, Victor Hotel Sierra Alpha Bravo. Auckland approach, avoid sending duplicate messages. Victor Hotel Sierra Alpha Bravo, request frequency change. Qantas 737 Heavy, turn left heading 230.
Turn left heading 230, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Auckland approach, disregard last message. Auckland approach, descend and maintain 4000. Descend and maintain 4000, Auckland approach. Auckland approach is 7 nautical miles southwest of Ardmore Aerodrome at 6,800 feet, requesting flight following to Wellington International. India Bravo Echo November Zulu, turn right heading 320. Auckland approach, turn right heading 280. Turn right heading 320, India Bravo Echo November Zulu. Turn right heading 280, Auckland approach. Auckland approach, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved, Auckland approach, good day. New Zealand 7 Heavy, turn left heading 310. Auckland approach, request frequency change. Auckland approach, turn left heading 190. Stand by, China Eastern 779, 2 Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Turn right heading 280, descend and maintain 4000, Auckland approach. Korean Air 411 Heavy, turn left heading 070, climb and maintain 7000. Romeo Alpha 11075, descend and maintain 6000. Romeo Alpha 11075, turn left heading 140. New Zealand 7 Heavy, descend and maintain 5000. New Zealand 7 Heavy, turn left heading 240. Turn left heading 240, New Zealand 7 Heavy. Land Cherry 2480 Heavy, expect vector for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango, turn left heading 210, descend and maintain 6000. Auckland approach, turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. Turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, Jetstar 76. November 676 Juliet Whiskey at 10 nautical miles south of Raglan at 12,900 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Auckland approach, turn left heading 340, descend and maintain 7000. Air India 602 Heavy at 9 nautical miles west of yssy at 11,000 feet, requesting flight following to Sydney Kingsford. UTS 136 Victor Alpha Heavy, turn left heading 230. Romeo Alpha 11075, turn right heading 230. Turn right heading 230, Romeo Alpha 11075. Speedbird 589, turn right heading 320. Auckland approach, turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. Auckland approach, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Auckland approach, turn right heading 030, maintain 8000. Turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, Auckland approach. November 676 Juliet Whiskey, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. New Zealand 7, requesting visual approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Roger, Qantas 3 Quebec Romeo Heavy. Tango India Echo Charlie Golf, contact Auckland Tower on 120.905. Auckland approach, contact Auckland Tower on 120.905. Contacting Auckland Tower on 120.905, Auckland approach. Speedbird 589, turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. Turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, Speedbird 589. Turn right heading 230, Oscar Oscar Golf Oscar Sierra. New Zealand Ace 2, turn left heading 230. Turn left heading 230, New Zealand Ace 2. Mike Bravo Alpha Lima Delta, turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 6000. Turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 6000, Mike Bravo Alpha Lima Delta. Frequency change approved Air India 682 Heavy, midday. Turn right heading 320, descend and maintain 7000, November 903 Delta Sierra Heavy. Descend and maintain 4000, Romeo Alpha 11075. Turn right heading 230, land Chile 2480 Heavy. November 903 Delta Sierra Heavy, turn right heading 060. Qantas 737 Heavy, turn right heading 320. Land Chile 2480 Heavy, do not exceed 180 knots. Do not exceed 180 knots, land Chile 2480 Heavy. New Zealand 7 Heavy, turn left heading 230. UTS 136 Victor Alpha Heavy, descend and maintain 5000. Turn left heading 230, New Zealand 7 Heavy. Oscar Oscar Golf Oscar Sierra, descend and maintain 5000. Descend and maintain 5000, Oscar Oscar Golf Oscar Sierra. Jetstar 76, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Descend and maintain 5000, UTS 136 Victor Alpha Heavy. Qatari 12 Victor Alpha Heavy, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Jetstar 76. Oscar Kilo Hotel Oscar Papa Echo, turn right heading 020, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. Speedbird 589, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Turn right heading 020, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, Oscar Kilo Hotel Oscar Papa Echo. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Speedbird 589. Turn right heading 120, China Eastern 779. Air India 167 Heavy, do not exceed 200 knots. Do not exceed 200 knots, Air India 167 Heavy. Turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 5000, Mike Bravo Alpha Lima Delta. Land Chile 465 Heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Land Chile 465 Heavy, turn left heading 250, descend and maintain 9000. Contacting Auckland Tower on 120.905, Jetstar 76. Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango, descend and maintain 4000. Turn right heading 290, Romeo Alpha 11075. Descend and maintain 4000, Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango. New Zealand 7 Heavy, do not exceed 180 knots. Do not exceed 180 knots, New Zealand 7 Heavy. New Zealand 891 Heavy. Qantas 737 Heavy, turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach.
Turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 120.905, Qatari 12 Victor Alpha Heavy. New Zealand 953 Heavy at 5 nautical miles west of Waihipu at 12,100 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. New Zealand Ace 2, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Air India 167 Heavy, turn left heading 230, descend and maintain 6000. Roger, New Zealand Ace 2. Turn left heading 230, descend and maintain 6000, Air India 167 Heavy. China Eastern 779, descend and maintain 7000. Descend and maintain 7000, China Eastern 779. Romeo Alpha 11075, turn right heading 320. Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango, turn right heading 320. Contacting Auckland Tower on 120.905, Speedbird 589. Standby, Cafe 379. Oscar Oscar Golf Oscar Sierra, descend and maintain 4000. Turn right heading 320, Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango. New Zealand 891 Heavy, descend and maintain 4000. New Zealand 891 Heavy, turn left heading 230. Turn left heading 230, New Zealand 891 Heavy. China Eastern 779, turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 6000. Turn right heading 200, descend and maintain 6000, China Eastern 779. Descend and maintain 5000, Air India 167 Heavy. Land Chile 2480 Heavy, turn right heading 320. Turn right heading 320, land Chile 2480 heavy. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, Oscar Kilo Hotel Oscar Papa Echo. Contacting Auckland Tower on 120.905, Oscar Kilo Hotel Oscar Papa Echo. Do not exceed 200 knots, China Eastern 779.
New Zealand 2567, turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 5000.
Turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 5000, New Zealand 2567.
Oscar Golf Oscar Sierra, turn right heading 320.
Turn right heading 320, Auckland approach.
Romeo Alpha 11075, turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. Mike Bravo Alpha Lima Delta, do not exceed 180 knots.
Do not exceed 180 knots, Mike Bravo Alpha Lima Delta. Turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, Romeo Alpha 11075. Turn left heading 270, descend and maintain 6000, Emirates 761.
Emirates is 0 Tango Super, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. New Zealand 953 Heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. New Zealand 953 Heavy, turn right heading 360, climb and maintain 10,000.
Turn right heading 360, climb and maintain 10,000, New Zealand 953 Heavy.
Auckland approach, do not exceed 180 knots.
Do not exceed 180 knots, Auckland approach.
Auckland approach, please follow instructions. Auckland approach, turn left heading 230.
Turn left heading 230, New Zealand 891 Heavy.
Korean Air 411 Heavy, turn right heading 130. Turn right heading 130, Korean Air 411 Heavy. China Eastern 779, turn right heading 250.
Turn right heading 250, China Eastern 779.
Auckland approach, turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach.
Turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, Auckland approach. Auckland approach, Qantas 9322, with you at 19,900.
New Zealand 2567, do not
Qantas 737 Heavy, request frequency change.
Oscar, Qantas 737 Heavy, contact Auckland Tower on 120.905.
Do not
Contacting Auckland Tower on 120.905, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Korean Air 411 Heavy, turn right heading 230.
Speedbird 589, when able turn left and contact ground.
2,500.
Auckland Tower, Qantas 737 Heavy, inbound on the visual runway 5 right.
Qantas 737 Heavy, wind 040 at 5, number 2, runway 5 right, cleared to land.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 5 right, Qantas 737 Heavy.
2,500.
Loco, Speedbird 589.
2,500.
New Zealand 787 Uniform Alpha, wind 040 at 5, runway 5 right, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Cleared for
Qantas 737 Heavy, maintain slowest practical speed.
Maintain slowest practical speed, Qantas 737 Heavy.
$2,500.
Auckland Tower, Romeo Alpha 11075, inbound on the ILS runway 5 right with information echo. UPS 286 Heavy, line up and wait runway 5 right.
line up and wait runway 5 right, UPS 286 Heavy.
New Zealand 787 Uniform Alpha, frequency change approved, good day.
Frequency change approved New Zealand 787 Uniform Alpha, good day.
Oscar Kilo Hotel Oscar Papa Echo, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final.
Thank you, good day, New Zealand 787 Uniform Alpha.
Wilco, Oscar Kilo Hotel Oscar Papa Echo. UPS 286 Heavy, 1040 at 5, runway 5 right, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 5 right, UPS 286 Heavy.
1000.
Romeo Alpha 11075, wind 040 at 5, number 2, runway 5 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 5 right, Romeo Alpha 11075.
$500.
Auckland Tower, Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango, inbound on the ILS runway 5 right.
$300. $200. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Retard, retard.
Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango, wind 040 at 5, number 2, runway 5 right, cleared to land. Delta Echo Charlie Charlie Oscar, line up and wait runway 5 right. Line up and wait runway 5 right, Delta Echo Charlie Charlie Oscar. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 5 right, Auckland Tower. Qantas 737 Heavy, when we will turn runway 5 right. Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango, wind 040 at 5, number 2, runway 5 right, cleared to land. Delta Echo Charlie Charlie Oscar, line up and wait runway 5 right. Line up and wait runway 5 right, Delta Echo Charlie Charlie Oscar. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 5 right. Qantas 737 Heavy, when we will turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Delta Echo Charlie Charlie Oscar, wind 040, please expedite, traffic on final.
Wilco, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 5 right, Delta Echo Charlie Charlie Oscar. Qantas 925, line up and wait runway 5 right.
Line up and wait runway 5 right, Qantas 925. Holding position, on upon 008 Heavy.
Ryanair 476, pushback approved. New Zealand 102 India November Heavy, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Ryanair 476. Pushback approved, New Zealand 102 India November Heavy. United 46, give way to aircraft on your right. Give way to aircraft, United 46. You're welcome, Air India 747 Super.
Auckland ground, Qantas 737 Heavy. Request taxi.
Qantas 737 Heavy, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxi to parking, Qantas 737 Heavy.
Auckland ground, New Zealand 102 India November Heavy, ready to taxi with information Foxtrot. Auckland ground, Ryanair 476, ready to taxi with information Foxtrot. New Zealand 102 India November Heavy, runway 5 right, taxi via Juliet, Alpha 10, contact tower when ready. Ryanair 476, taxi to runway 5 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 5 right, Ryanair 476. On upon 008 Heavy, pushback approved. Taxiing to runway 5 right via Juliet, Alpha 10, New Zealand 102 India November Heavy.
Pushback approved. On upon 008 Heavy.
Auckland ground, Singapore 7348 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Foxtrot. Qantas 7 Oscar Bravo, request frequency change. Singapore 7348 Heavy, hold position. Qantas 7 Oscar Bravo, you were already instructed to change frequency. Holding position, Singapore 7348 Heavy. Auckland ground, Romeo Alpha 11075, request taxi to gate 30 at the domestic terminal. Romeo Alpha 11075, taxi to domestic terminal gate 30 via Alpha 5, Bravo 5. Taxiing to domestic terminal gate 30 via Alpha 5, Bravo 5, Romeo Alpha 11075. Singapore 7348 Heavy, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Singapore 7348 Heavy. Auckland ground, Delta Charlie November X-Ray Bravo, ready for pushback with information Foxtrot. Delta Charlie November X-Ray Bravo, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Delta Charlie November X-Ray Bravo.
Auckland ground, on upon 008 Heavy, ready to taxi with information Foxtrot.
Auckland ground, Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango, request taxi to gate 4 at the international terminal. Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango, taxi to international terminal gate 4 via Alpha 7, Alpha 6, Juliet. On upon 008 Heavy, hold position. Taxiing to international terminal gate 4 via Alpha 7, Alpha 6, Juliet, Foxtrot Oscar Delta Alpha Tango.
Holding position. On upon 008 Heavy.
Auckland ground, DHL 5183 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Foxtrot. DHL 5183 Heavy, pushback approved. Auckland ground, Singapore 7348 Heavy, ready to taxi with information Foxtrot. Singapore 7348 Heavy, taxi to runway 5 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 5 right, Singapore 7348 Heavy. On upon 008 Heavy, taxi to runway 5 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 5 right, on upon 008 Heavy.
Pushback approved, DHL 5183 Heavy. Auckland ground, Land Chili 2480 Heavy, request taxi to the international terminal. Land Chili 2480 Heavy, taxi to K via Alpha 7, Bravo 7, Bravo, Kilo.
Auckland ground, Korean Air 004 Golf Golf, ready for pushback with information Foxtrot.
Taxiing to Pavia Alpha 7, Bravo, Kilo, land Chili 2480 heavy. Korean Air 004 Golf Golf, hold position.
Holding position, Korean Air 004 Golf Golf.
Auckland ground, VHL 5183 heavy, ready to taxi with information Foxtrot. Auckland ground, Delta Charlie November X-ray Bravo, ready to taxi with information Foxtrot. Delta Charlie November X-ray Bravo, taxi to runway 5 right, hold short of left INE 409. Taxiing to runway 5 right, will hold short of left INE 409, Delta Charlie November X-ray Bravo. DHL 5183 heavy, taxi to runway 5 right, hold short of left INE 247. Taxiing to runway 5 right, will hold short of left INE 247, DHL 5183 heavy. Auckland ground, Oscar Golf Oscar Sierra, request taxi depart.